Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. We've been looking at the US Top 40 on the channel and I'm currently on song number 11, which is 360 by Charlie XCX. And this is a simple song with 4 chords, and the chords are C, F, G and A minor. And the C is a slash chord. It says C/E, or we would say C over E. The E is in the bass, so you can just play C. With an E in the bass, if you want, with your left hand. I'm playing 2 with my little finger and thumb to F. Practice going back and forth. You can play these chords like that, or just as held. Up to G, up to A minor. I'll move the microphone over so you can still hear me. It basically does those 4 for the whole song. And the lyrics are, I went my own way and I made it. I'm your favorite reference, baby. Call me Gabriette. You're so inspired. Ah ha 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 ha. On the A minor. Ha 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 ha. Ah ha ha. And then verse 2. I'm tectonic, moves I make them. Shock you like defibrillators. No style, I can't relate. I'll always be the one. Ah ha 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 ha. On the C over E. Ah ha ha ha. And then we got a pre-chorus layer. Guess what? Same chords on the pre-chorus. Drop down, yeah. Put the camera flash on. So stylish, baby. Tears all gone. Drop down, yeah. Looking like an icon. Work angles. What does that mean? Is that like when you're at work and you're taking selfies? The work angles. I'm just guessing. Work angles, yeah. G to A minor. Chorus, yes. 360. Same chords. When you're in the mirror, do you like what you see? Yes, I do, mostly. But I need a haircut. When you're in the mirror, you're just looking at me. I'm everywhere, so I'm so Julia. Ha 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 ha. Ah, C over E. A minor to C over E. And then again, when you're in the party, bumping that beat. 666 with a princess streak. I'm everywhere, I'm so Julia. Ah ha 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 ha. That's basically all you need. Post-chorus is bumping that, bumping that. Bumping that. We're bumping. Bumping that, bumping that. I don't know how she says that, bumping that. She'd be bumping that. And then that city sewer slut's the vibe. Internationally recognized. I set the tone, it's my design, and it's stuck in your mind. That's verse 2, same chords. She said at the end, I don't fucking care what you think. Drop down, yeah, put the camera flash on. So stylish, baby, tears all gone. Drop down, yeah. Same chords, chorus, same chords, yeah, 360. When you're in the mirror, do you like what you see? When you're in the mirror, blah, blah, blah. I'm very so Julia. And then you got the outro, which is again, bumping that. Bumping that. Bumping that. Ah ha ha, ah ha ha. Bumping that, bumping that. Y'all be bumping that. Ah ha ha. That is 360 by what's her face? I mean Charlie XCX. I don't remember her name. She's got another one I just listened to which is hilarious. It's absolutely hilarious. It's called something like Girls. I should have done a live, well, I'd get a copyright strike, but is it called Girls? I thought it was so funny. Yeah, it's called Girls. Her name is Lara. We learned a lot. How do we do it? Like we wanna. No, that isn't it. Anyway, there's another one where she talks about being a girl or something, and I thought it was quite funny. Either way, thanks for watching. Music is you know, it's just as good as it ever was. It's fantastic, isn't it? What's going on with music? Every hit is just bigger than the last. They're all fantastic. They're huge, quite frankly. By the way. And the next one is I Can Do It With a Broken Heart by Taylor Swift, my favorite. So stay tuned for the next one, Taylor Swift, Between the Keys. I'll put a link in the description for the website, because there is also the website of betweenthekeys.com and the Patreon and other stuff like that. And if you want to request a song to learn, then just request a song in the comments. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.